How to do kettlebell, single deadlift, step by step. 1. Stand tall with feet hip-width apart. Hold a kettlebell in your right hand with an overhand grip. Arm extended in front of your thigh. Keep your shoulders pulled back and core braced. 2. Set your base. Shift your weight onto your left leg, the working leg. Slightly bend the left knee to create stability. Your right leg will be the one that moves back. 3. Begin the hinge. Keeping your back flat and chest up, slowly hinge at your hips. Let the kettlebell lower toward the ground while your right leg extends straight behind you. Keep the kettlebell close to your left shin as you descend. 4. Find balance and depth. Lower until your torso is nearly parallel to the floor, or until the kettlebell is just above the ground. Make sure your hips stay square, don't rotate open. 5. Return to standing. Push through your left foot, drive the hips forward, and bring your right leg back down to meet your left. Stand tall again with the kettlebell at your side. 6. Repeat. Perform the desired reps on one side before switching hands and legs. Move slowly, control your balance, and keep your core tight to protect your lower back. Thanks for watching. Check my next video.